Let's move to the seventh question here. A cylindrical bucket. The bucket is in which shape? They have clearly mentioned it is a cylindrical shape. Cylinder का shape है. Of diameter 28 centimeter and height 20 centimeter was full of sand. ओके, फुल ऑफ सैंड मतलब मिट्टी, यानी सिलेंडर बकेट जो है उसके पूरा मिट्टी से भरा है. व्हेन द सैंड इन द बकेट वाज पोर्ड ऑन द ग्राउंड, ओके, द सैंड गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू द शेप ऑफ द कोन. जब पूरा मिट्टी जो बकेट में था उसको नीचे डाला तो वो ऐसा कोन का शेप में पूरा मिट्टी गिर के बन गया है. इफ़ द हाइट ऑफ द कोन वॉज 14 सेंटीमीटर, जो बना है नीचे मिट्टी से जो बना है कोन उसका हाइट है 14 सेंटीमीटर. एंड व्हाट वाज द बेस एरिया ऑफ अ कोन? यू हैव रिमेंबर द व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड. एरिया ऑफ अ कोन, कोन का बेस में कौन सा शेप रहता है? कोन आप याद करो, उसका बेस में कोन है, उसका बेस में कौन सा शेप रहता है? नथिंग बट द सर्कल. तो उन्होंने क्या फाइंड आउट करने बोला है? व्हाट वाज द एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल? That is nothing but the area of a cone means area of a circle. Pi r square find out करना है. Here we have to find out what is the base means. Pi r square क्या है? That's it. See the cylinder bucket. The cylinder bucket means, can we understand like this? This is the bucket, cylinder bucket here. Okay. The cylinder bucket here, it's this type of a bucket where it is filled with a what? Sand. मिट्टी से ऐसा, मिट्टी से पूरा, not water, it's मिट्टी से भरा है ऐसा fully. Okay, so what is done then? This diameter is how much given? 28 centimeter. इसका diameter है 28 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter इसका. Okay, now it is full of sand. उन्होंने क्या किया? वो मिट्टी को पूरा गिरा रहे. तो गिरते समय कैसे मिट्टी गिर रहा है? ऐसा मिट्टी पूरा कोन बन गया है, ऐसा गिर के ऐसा शेप में आ गया है. ये पूरा मिट्टी है. ओके, दिस ऑल आर सैंड हियर. दिस ऑल आर अ सैंड हियर. नाउ हियर व्हाट इज इफ द हाइट ऑफ द कोन वाज 14 सेंटीमीटर. हाइट मीन्स व्हाट? दिस हाइट हियर. whenever simply said height, that means we talk about the perpendicular height. h is 14 centimeter. what was the base area? that means ये क्या है, कितना है, इसको find out करना है. are you all clear what is they asked? so here we all talking about what exactly? is the curved surface area or a volume? डेफिनेटली द वॉल्यूम, इसका क्योंकि सैंड का कैपेसिटी ये सब करके हम कर रहे हैं. सो हियर ऑल्सो व्हाट इज द मेन थीम? यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सिलेंडर इज इक्वल्स टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ व्हाट इज दिस कोन. इज इट और नॉट? ये जितना मिट्टी है वही तो इधर बना है. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सिलेंड्रिकल बकेट इज इक्वल्स टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सैंड इन द कोन. So here we have a two criteria again, that is for a cylindrical bucket. Here we will write it for cylindrical bucket. So what all given cylindrical bucket here? Let's see it. Diameter is given as a 28 centimeter. Can we write a radius immediately? The radius is half of it, 28 upon 2, that is 14 centimeter. Next is given as a height. Height is given, okay, is 20 centimeter. So I have written height is 20 centimeter. I have written. Now we are talking about the volume as I discussed with you. The volume of a cylindrical bucket, okay, cylindrical bucket equals to pi r square h. सिलेंडर है, इसके लिए पाई को पाई रखेंगे. r square, r is what? 14 centimeter. 14 into 14 into height. Height is how much? 20. Keep it as it is. And now we are going to find for the what? Cone. For a cone. Okay, for cone. So what all we have for the cone here? They have given us a height of the cone has been given as 14 centimeters. So we will write it height. Okay, that is 14 centimeter. And here what it is? Nothing. We haven't given a radius or something. But what exactly to find out? You have to be very clear. Base, that is pi r square find out करना है. Okay. Now what is the volume of a cone? Recollect. Volume of a cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Right. 1 upon 3 वैसे ही रखेंगे. Pi r square को वैसे ही रखेंगे. And h is given as a what? 14 centimeter. Now what we have learned that the volume of a cylinder is equals to volume of a cone. So I am writing by the given condition what is given? Volume of a cylindrical bucket, okay, is equal to volume of a sand in where sand कहाँ से गिरा है, इन bucket से, ओके वो दोनों भी सेम ही है. सो इसके लिए वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सिलिंड्रिकल बकेट इज व्हाट वी हैव केप्ट इट हियर रिटन, पाई इंटू, ओके पाई इंटू 14 इंटू 14 इंटू 20 equals to this 1/3 pi r square into 14. Why I am not going to cut a pi here? या आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कट अ पाई हियर बिकॉज पाई आर स्क्वायर ही मुझे चाहिए इधर, पाई आर स्क्वायर. तो मैं इसको ये पाई आर स्क्वायर को सिर्फ इधर ही रखने वाली हूँ, पाई आर स्क्वायर करके. बाकी सबको मैं इस पाई आर स्क्वायर को इधर आई कीप इट एंड द रेस्ट ऑल बीन टेकन देयर. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, दिस पाई आई एम राइटिंग इट सब्सटीट्यूटिंग 22/7. 14 this side I am writing all 14 into 14 to 20. Now here the 14 is here. This is in multiply form, so comes here in a divide form, and this 3 in a divide form comes up here in multiply form. Be clear, divide form goes in the multiply form comes here in the divide form. I hope rest all I have picked out. This pi r square I am going to keep it as it is because this is nothing but the area of the base. So rest, what cancellation I can do, 14 and 14, 7 2s are 14, rest it is, let it be. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and 6 into 22, that is 132 into this 20 is also there, I think so, right? Okay, yes, and into 20. So 0, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So what I am getting, pi r square, that is 2640. See, here they ask what was the base of the area of a cone. बेस जो है कोन का एरिया जो है सर्कल का एरिया है, तो हमने फाइंड आउट कर दिया द बेस एरिया ऑफ अ कोन इज 2640 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. आई राइट इट हियर, द बेस एरिया ऑफ कोन is 2640 square centimeter. Clear everyone? It's very simplest sum. Now we have come to the 8th question. It is similar to the 4th question we have done here. That is, cuboid is being converted, is melted and converted into a what cylinder. Similarly, what is here given? The radius of metallic sphere is 9 centimeter. So can I say this is a metallic sphere? Here we will consider this as a metallic sphere. Okay, spherical shape is 9 centimeter and it was melted to make a wire. Okay, wire means which shape it will come dear? See, this is being melted and converted into a wire. Wire means which shape it is? Can you all guess? Yes, come on, guess it. Can I say now this sphere is being converted into a wire here? So this wire is in which shape? That means a cylindrical shape, right? So here sphere and the cylinder. So what is this? Find the length of the wire they have asked here. So here again a melted has come. So this means we are going to do a use of formula of volume here. What to find here? Find the length of the wire. That means ये स्पीयर को जो मेल्ट करके हमने वायर बनाया, इसका लेंथ क्या है, कितना लंबाई में जा रहा है करके. So that means if I make to stand like this, that means nothing but the length of the wire means nothing but the height of the cylinder. They are asking to find what is the height of the cylinder here. So let's find it with the formula here. So firstly sphere. So as I said, whenever two figures is being discussed here, we will write it for sphere. Okay, for sphere. So what is given for a sphere? That is radius is given. Radius is given as a what, my dear? It's 9 centimeter, right? Now it is, now we are talking about the volume of a sphere. So volume of a sphere formula is what? 4/3 pi r cube. So we will write it 4/3 pi, keep it as it is. R cube means 9 into 9, right? Now this sphere has been completed. Now that has been converted into a cylinder. So now for cylindrical wire, okay, cylindrical wire, okay, for cylinder, what is the formula? Volume, right? So now for this, what else is given? Diameter is 4 mm given. Its diameter is given as a 4. So here, so radius, diameter is 4 mm. So radius will be, okay, that is we consider R1, that is 2 mm. So here it is in centimeters, here is in millimeter. We will convert that as 0.2 centimeter. Let it be. Now volume formula, volume of a cylinder. What is the volume of a cylinder formula? Pi r square h. So pi remains pi. R square. R is what? 0.2 into 0.2, and the height we are not knowing it here. So let it be the height here. So what is the here, if it is asked how many coins or how many this is made, we could have written upon, but they said इसी को यानी स्पेयर को ही मेल्ट करके किसको बनाया, सिलिंड्रिकल वायर बनाया. दैट मीन्स जितना वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ स्पेयर है उतना ही वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सिलिंड्रिकल वायर भी रहेगा. तो वी कंक्लूड फ्रॉम हियर वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ व्हाट इज दिस स्पेयर. ओके, स्पेयर इज इक्वल्स टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ cylindrical wire. Is it right or wrong? It is right ना डियर. जितना था यानी जितना स्पेयर था, वॉल्यूम था, उसी को ही हमने बनाया, ना बढ़ाया ना कम किया है. तो दोनों वॉल्यूम एक दूसरे का इक्वल टू है. इसके लिए वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए स्पेयर इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए सिलिंड्रिकल वायर. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए स्पेयर व्हाट वी हैव डन हियर. So I'll write it volume of a sphere where I have kept it here 4/3 into pi into 9 into 9, and a volume of a cylindrical wire where we have written here pi into 0.2 into 0.2 into h here. See now what you can do here, the h remains here only, so I keep the h here. Rest all I'm going. See, first I'll write down this one 4/3 pi into 9 into 9. इस तरफ जो भी है उसको मैंने लिख लिया है. अभी यहाँ से जो मल्टीप्लाई फॉर्म में है ये सब 3 के साथ आएगा. पाई इधर आएगा, 0.2 b इधर आएगा, and this 0.2 also will come here. The h only remains. We are going to find the length of the wire now dear. The length of the wire is nothing but the height of the cylinder. Okay, so we are going to find out pi gets cancelled. 3 3s are 9. Okay, and this if you want you can put it into 100 into 100. क्यों हम कर रहे 100? ताकि यहाँ का भी एक डेसिमल और यहाँ का भी डेसिमल निकल जाए. तो अभी क्या बचेगा नीचे, 2 into 2, राइट, एंड 4 into 3 into 9 into 9 up into 100. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 2 1s are 2. So we are left with how much here? Let's see it. Okay, 9 9s are 81. 81 into 3 is 24300. That is the height here. But this is what we have got it. This is of a centimeter, right? Can we convert into a meter here? Yes. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So if I write it removing the 0, I'll get it height as a what? That is 243 meter. So what they asked, find the length of the wire. The length of the wire is 243 meter.